Why the rich are getting richer and poor staying poor? Here is the answer. Let me ask you this. Do you understand English? Yes, of course you do. That's why you're able to understand me. But did you know English right from the birth? No. You learn the language, how to speak. That's why you're able to understand me clearly. But let me ask you this. The way there is an English language, there is language of money. Have you studied what is the language of money? Chances are we had no subject in our school, college, education. In fact, हम तो बात ही नहीं करना चाहते पैसों की. We have so much of negative beliefs about money and we do not understand what is the language of money. You're trying to talk the language of money, but you're not able to understand. Let me give you an example. One of the language that I think there was the money language is, let us save for the rainy day. Money does not grow in trees. Money is hard to earn. Money is difficult. अगर तुमको लगता है कि पैसा समझता है language, it just repels off. People do not get rich by thinking poor. Ever since I understood the language of money, I studied in the year 2016, 2017. Until then, I was still struggling to make enough money. I was in a job for 16 years. Then I understand how to make money, how to keep money, how to multiply money. Guess what? My life completely changed. I learned the language of money. Rich people actually know what the language of money is. They have multiple streams of income. They know active income, passive income, leverage income, and more income streams than they know about. It's not just plus, minus. It's not about the math. It's about what is the language of money. Now, if you're really serious to understand what is the secret that how do you become rich, genuinely, authentically, no shortcuts, no get rich quick, no network marketing, learning the process of finding your passion genuinely and converting that into a business and earning your wealth, earning the money. Guess what? I have a great news. I'm doing a 3-hour webinar where I'm going to share with you the secret that I've learned for the last 6 years, which has made me a multi-millionaire, that I can travel the world, meet amazing people, do what I love doing, and make an impact. I'm on a mission to transform 1 billion lives, and I hope you're one of them. Click the link, join the webinar where I share with you more details about this.